Hi guys, so I'm going to try to make this short and quick, but I do want to show you how I'm managing my Spellbinders for September, and I'm just filming my laptop and it's on my lap, so yeah, it's very technical. Okay, so if I have any links in the description box, they will be affiliate links, which means I will make a small commission if you reuse those links to make any purchases through Spellbinders there, but so thank you guys for the support. With everything, you guys always leave great comments and use the links as you would like, and it's really, really great. So what I would do is definitely log in. I'm already logged in just because I use this site enough. I'm always logged in. So go ahead and log in. If you haven't logged in before, you're going to create a login, but you can do that later. Oh, I was just looking at this Spellbinders Sparkling Christmas 2020. Okay, I'm getting distracted. Hold on, let me click on that. Oh, okay, it's just the all the stuff that has to do with like the glimmer. Okay, so I already knew right before the first, my club is set to go out on the first, and whenever you sign up, it's going to go out pretty much right after you sign up. If it is middle of the month, end of the month, for that month, okay, for that, let's say August. Well, August just passed, but 1st through 31st. And anytime in there, you were going to get the August kit, even if you sign up on the 31st. But the next month, it's going to charge you again on the 31st. So you're always going to be on whatever day you actually sign up on. With Tonic, when I discussed that a little while ago, it's a little bit different. You're going to order it, and they're going to send it out that following month, right? You order it anytime, let's say during August. It's going to be the September one. It comes out after like the first week of September or so. Early September, basically. And then the next month they're going to charge you on the 1st for it, you know, like right coming up to the 1st. So they do it a little bit differently. Here, whenever you signed up, that's, 30 calendar days. That's when you're going to get it again. So if you don't want that, let's say you signed up, but the next time you do want it on the 1st, just cancel the one that you have and then add it again. So I'm going to show you real quick. They always give a preview. So the previews are usually on YouTube or their blog. On the blog, it's usually like a little image you might see, but now it's the 1st, September 1st, so you can actually see the clubs. And even when I woke up this morning, they hadn't charged me yet, and I was like, oh, I wanted to make some adjustments, because sometimes you might want to skip a part of it, or however. When you do that, you basically just need to skip the whole thing and then add it back what you want to buy. You can't, if you're doing one of the club kits, the value clubs, you can't just say, okay, I don't want the large part now, or I don't want the APG this time. You basically have to skip it and then buy it again. So anyway, I clicked on all clubs just to see what it was. I knew I saw the card kit already, so I had an idea what that was, but I didn't know what the small or the large one were going to be. So when you go in here, excuse me, you can click on small die of the month, and you see it's always generic. It always looks the same, but when you get into it, you're going to see now the new die of the month. So down here, you just can click, and it's something like this. They usually have an image of the actual dies, and then I have some examples. So this one's really cute. I think I'm going to go ahead and pick that up. So it has the hello, and then a few examples, like I said. It has the thank you, and then it has these little frames that you can decorate with all these little flowers. So it's going to be quite a few little die pieces on top of the larger, more focal point dies. So that's really cute. So that's the small. And then if I go back, I will click on the large. And I can see that the large one is like this cake kind of thing, which is really cute. I don't know, it's different, but then when you see the examples of it, then I'm like, oh, okay, like I love the colors they used here, and then you can do different writing, I guess, on the little cake slice or whatever. So I thought that's really cute, and it doesn't look too difficult like this, like the little icing. It's just 2 pieces, the background and the topper. So, in each one, it looks like it has 2, maybe 3 layers, so it's not too difficult to put together. So I'm like, okay, I'm going to get that one. It's very cute. Of course, I have other examples. The APG die of the month, I think I'm going to skip this month. I just looked at it, and I'm like, well, I don't really see what's going on here. And sometimes if you're confused, you don't know what's going on, again, make sure to check out their site. I don't think it's just one die. If it's just one die, then that's kind of weird, but maybe it has a background die with it. I don't know. So they're kind of showing here how you might use it. So I have a feeling it comes with the background shadow. It doesn't have a lot of information, but again, it says the lattice quadrant is perfect for making gorgeous cards. Many of the monthly die sets will include options to make a 5x7 card, while the inlays and accessories include options for smaller presentations. So again, this one didn't really, here it is. Okay, so yeah, so it has the cool, so what you're looking at right here is the outer shapes on the carrier, so you have an idea. So it looks like it has That guy has like a border edge and another kind of border die. It says it has 7 dies. So I'm going to assume that it has that pretty die that you saw plus the shadow. I don't know what's going on here. How does that die? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 4 to me. Maybe it has some little flowers or something else. I don't know. So I'm like, this one's hard to... So again, go to YouTube and hopefully there you have an idea. Oh, actually, let me see. Sometimes you can click out check out inspiration and it'll go to that. Oh, this is the last one. So cute. Let me see if I can click on project inspiration for this one. Maybe we'll get a little more information. It usually goes to their blog. Okay, that's something else. Yeah, so there's all about the quadrant. I don't know. Let me do one more thing. So this is kind of how I figure out things and kind of have a better idea. Okay, they have that guy. And then it has a background, so as you can see there. Yeah, it comes with little flower ones. So yeah, it's more than just that one. So, you know, maybe I'm going to change my mind. I don't know. I just like, So I'll show you what I did. I might just go back. If I go back, I'll have to add it again. Interesting. Okay, so that's that one. And then I'll show you the card making kit real quick. And this one's super cute. It has like gnomes and all these other things. I did see the reveal for this one. With the little gnomes, and those shapes go with the stamps. So this one's, you know, you stamp and then you cut instead of forming like a little character with all the little pieces. And super cute. So there's closer up pictures of, you know, what's going on. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So cute. So definitely getting that. Okay. So you can, you know, click subscribe now and you can add the one kit or different things. And I always go for the value clubs. So the one I normally get here is the Works. And the way I see it is Kit and Caboodle is a small, large, and the card kit, which is basically what I was doing before. And then I added the APG. So if you look at the price here, the difference is $22. So you're basically paying $22 for the APG die. But if you don't want the APG die, then this is the one I go for, because this is a pretty good savings from if you were to get the small, the large, and the card kit separately, right? But again, you know, whatever it is that you like, that's what you do. So there it is. And so I'm going to show you real quickly what my portal looks like and see if it doesn't have too much information, because I don't know exactly what they show. Okay. So over here on this other side, it has kind of my name, but it has some other things. What I want to show you is when I came here, it said next bill date, September 1st, 2020, $85, one subscription. And this is for, again, the Kit and Caboodle, all the Works. And then right here on the 1st, which was today, it said it had a little planner. Like, I'll show you what it looks like for October. So it says upcoming invoice, $85, and then I can click on it, right? If I clicked on it, I can click on it. And I'm not going to do that because it does have a lot of personal information. So that was there this morning. I clicked on it. And then I said skip installment. So down over here on the right, it'll say skip installment, and that's what I did. There is no really editing the installment. So I skipped it, but since I skipped it now, I want to add the Works, the Kit and Caboodle. So I'm gonna go back, and it's kind of weird because if you add, where's my Kit and Caboodle right here? Join now. It'll take you there. Subscribe now. And hopefully, let me see. I don't know how far it's going to take me before it shows like my credit card information and stuff like that. And then it still asks you again, which one do you want? And you're like, okay, I just said subscribe now. So all this is here again. And we're going to go back to Kit and Caboodle and add one. Okay. And then I'll click preview deals and check out. So when you click on preview deals, it's adding like, do you want some more paper? Do you want some of the dyes? Do you want this two-in-one piece kit? So you can add things, and they're like a little better price than, you know, whatever, and they're available now. You want a glimmer hot foil system for $107? Usually, like Julep does this too. Whenever I used to be part of their subscription, but it was always like things that are like small things, you know, not like a whole system. But anyway, that's kind of funny. Okay, so continue to check out. I'm just gonna click on that real quick for a second and see if it doesn't show all my information. Okay, yeah, it has my address. So here, then you would just complete your checkout. Okay, so I'm just going to click on something else and I'll come back to that in a minute. I'll click on Spellbinders just because it has all my address and card information. So then there you would just fill it out and go for it. So like I said, I skipped the installment. I could have just canceled it. You can also go into that where it shows, your next thing. Click on it. And if you just want to cancel it, you can cancel it. It has it right there. Just cancel club. And then you can add it again. Buy it again. If you have a lapse like that, it's going to take like an hour or maybe 2 sometimes for Spellbinders to show up your 10% off, because you get 10% off the whole site, and it's already automatically in the price of the items that you see, so they don't take it off at the end. You're a club member, everything just has 10% off. So the price is not reflected later. So hopefully that information helps you guys, and I'm really excited to get those different dies and card kits, and of course I'll review them when they come in. Links will be in the description box. I think that's all I had for you guys today as far as this. I definitely wanted to get on it and show you guys what was up, and thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great day. I'll be back later with some crafts. All right, quick, guys, I came back to go ahead and complete my purchase, and when I was scrolling to the bottom of the page, it says, for September, join a VIP value club and save and get a free stamp. So if you order the Kit and Caboodle, the Glimmer Groupie, and the Works, or the Works, you get this Sprinkles stamp set for free, it says. So extra bonus for VIP club members in September, get a Sprinkles clear stamp set with your VIP club value membership or value club membership. Coordinates perfectly with the large die kit of the month set. So that's kind of cool. So it'll just be added there. It says you can shop the store, add the club to your checkout, of course. All right, so that's just a little extra perk for doing that. Adding one of the value club kits this month, okay? I do not know if that means that if you're already a club member, if you're going to get it, so you might want to drop your membership and then add it back. So I'm sorry, it's not very clear here. It says join a VIP club value club, and save. So, I don't know. So you guys can check on that if you're already a member. All right, we'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.